recipe. A recipe is something like a plan, with elements and measurements all mixed together by a steady hand. Be careful, you must be or you'll be sad, you see. If somehow in the mix it has no soul. So what's the wild gravy and that turns this awesome sauce to liquid gold?